Okay, started.
Hi folks, today we're talking putting grip. Kind of doing all things putting here in the off season. So today we're going to talk about a proper putting grip. So there are not a lot of limitations or restrictions. There are a few fundamental things that we need to do. We do need to have our palm, the palm of your right hand and the back of your left hand facing your target. Now, that said, you can be left hand low, right hand low, split grip. There's no true right or wrong. I'm going to give you a grip that I would recommend, and I'm going to show you a grip that I really do not recommend. So the grip that I recommend is starting with your right hand if you're right-handed, and bringing your left hand up. We're going to use your left index finger, and it's going to go right down the lead side of your right hand fingers. It's actually going to be parallel to the shaft of the putter. You're going to lift up your right palm, and now both thumbs are on top of the putter. So this left index finger now is going to become a pointer. It's going to point the putter back, point it through. This is going to lead the stroke. You're never going to have any flippiness. You're going to try to make the entire stroke into your shoulders, and this grip is designed to help you do so. Now, the grip that I really have a challenge with. So most of the students that I have that are struggling with controlling their distances, especially, is right index finger down. Now, I know that feels really great to people. Like, oh, I really can control it. But the problem is, as righties, that right hand tends to flip into the ball during the stroke. You flip that putter head in, and now you've added extra momentum to the stroke, or you didn't flip enough and it goes too short. So, in order to try to minimize the difference between one stroke and the next, get this left index finger down, allow the stroke to be made more with your shoulders. Keep these in mind next time you're working on your putting game. All right.